Hey Enviro, here's a quick instructional video just summarizing what you need to get done during today's flexible instructional day on February 11th, 2021, and then also what should be done by the time we have our test on Tuesday, February 16th. So just as a reminder, all of the presentations and note sheets and things like that and readings, they're all on the Schoology page, so you can use those as a resource to help you get your concept maps done or just to help you use them as a reference when doing the crossword puzzle assignment. Okay, so all of these things that you're seeing on here, these are all resources that you can use that are on the Schoology page. And that takes us to what we're going to work on today and what you are assigned to do. And remember, this is due by the 16th. So you have some time to work on this, but my recommendation is to get it all done as soon as possible. This way you don't have to worry about it. So the first thing is 4.8 Forestry Crossword Puzzle. This is a crossword puzzle assignment, and this is going to help you, and you can use it as a review. My recommendation is to use your concept maps once they're completed in order to get this done, so you're working forward and not backwards. So the crossword puzzle assignment, you open it up and then click on this link, and that's going to take you to the puzzle. It's a digital crossword puzzle, so you'll read through the clues and then type your answers in. Once you are finished, you can do one of two things in order to submit. You can download your puzzle and convert it to a PDF, or you can take a screenshot. When you do that, you're going to submit it here. All right, don't forget to get that submitted. Looks like I already have one submission in. Going back to the main forestry folder, the other two assignments on here are Edpuzzle. So 4.9 Sustainable Logging in the US and 4.10 Sustainable Logging in Tropics. Both of these Edpuzzles are around 3.5 minutes, and what they are talking about is how we can, strategies and how we can log in order to keep our forests sustainable and keep them healthy, and so that we're logging at a rate that is not cutting trees down faster than that they can grow, and also being mindful of keeping the forest healthy. Those are your three new assignments. Assignments that are already existing that you should be working on is your forestry concept map. And I would say at this point, based on what you've done throughout the unit, you're probably 2/3 of the way done the concept map. I would recommend going back through the readings and your notes and presentations and seeing if there's any other terms that you need to add on to here. And then lastly is the typical optional study guide assignment. So just like I've been doing for all the other units, I posted one for this unit, and I would recommend doing this. You can fill it out, open it up. Okay, you'll open it up, download the study guide, and then fill that in. Just make sure to follow all directions, make a copy of it as a Google Doc, put your name in it, type your answers in blue. And I really recommend that you get this done because it can not only help your grade by adding those extra 10 points into your overall total points for the marking period, but also it's a great way to study and to see what you know and what you still need to work on. And then, like I said, the forestry test is going to be on Tuesday, February 16th. All right, so that's everything that we have going on for today. Just to highlight, you have the crossword puzzle and the two Edpuzzles, and to continue working on the concept map, and the test will be on the 16th. And all of these assignments are due by the 16th. If you have any questions, just reach out, send me an email. I will have office hours today from 12:30 to 1, and that's going to be using my personal room. So if you want to schedule an appointment, I will send you the link to that. Other than that, have a great day at home, everyone, and I'll see you next week.